I started this video, and unfortunately I started it after the fact. But then this white car here did something really, went across all these lanes to get over there. Okay, it was understandable. There's a red light, there's traffic built up, and he needs to turn over there. Okay, so that's fine. But this red car in front of me here, this red car, he was out on, he got out on an exit like this, like he's doing now. He was on a line to get out.
0.1 miles.
And I had
U-turn.
like,
you know, like
20 or more car lengths. The whole lane was empty in front of me. And all of a sudden, he's like the third car from the light. And all of a sudden, he just pulled in behind me. You know, all of a sudden, he jots out of his lane. I still had like maybe 8 cars, okay, 8 car lengths, you know, from where he was at, jotting into my lane. But still, again, and that was like 3 or 4 exit lanes behind us, 3 or 4 intersections behind. I mean, how do you make a mistake in where you're going? See, people, you gotta watch people, the way they're driving on the road. You know, they really don't know what they're doing, and some of them are just lost. And that's the other reason why you gotta take it easy on the road. You gotta give like space for lost, because they're not all dummies. Some of us get lost, and you know, and then we have to jot out. And at least I was there to give that space, you know. But I'm just making the point that most of you don't give that space. You don't allow the space to be there, and sometimes these guys get anxious, and that's when accidents happen. So give yourself space, and give people space too. And you know, it always begins with starting with some time. All right, I'm here for my waiting area, so I'm going to be here. I'm going to do some more broadcasts probably, and wait for business to pick up. Take care.